Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for all my subscribers. Hit 400 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much. If it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't be possible. On one of the last episodes that you guys saw, link is going to be in the description below. You saw that I had to remove my big barn. Wasn't really happy about it, but I had to do it. And in this episode, I've got to remove the other one for certain reasons. I've got raccoons, I've got possums, I've got mice, rats, the whole 9 yards. It's costing a lot of money to upkeep on the structure of the building, so I'm going to get rid of it and put something else new in there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, I got to get rid of these buildings now for certain reasons. It's okay, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. But check how good this guy is. He's awesome. Same guy. Look at Rock. Rock with me. Like, I don't know how that song goes. That's so cool. Matrix in the background barking. He loves this kind of stuff. Wow. The machine's hungry today. Wow. I've got a great idea what I'm going to replace these with. Wait a minute, that whole building just shook. Just shook. Wow, we. Look at the rock. It's like on hydraulics, like one of those lowrider kind of cars. I believe that's for scrap metal, which is no big deal. It's like he's done this before. Just removing the scrap metal. This is a real quick short video. It jiggled. Scrap. Yeah, I'm going to put a couple of containers in this place, so I don't have to worry about maintenance. You know, wood rotting, creatures, bats, raccoons, that kind of thing. I don't have to worry about it. Hey, ay, ay. Mamma mia. Whoa. I don't think I should be staying here. Whoa. Alright guys, I'll show you after it's all done. Like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in a few once it's all taken down. And this side looks afterwards. All open. Even though to take my doghouse, Matrix not going to be happy. That's okay, I've got ideas. The guy did a really good job. Really, really good. I had to do it. Is that green ball? What's that green ball doing there? Oh, Matrix is going to be so happy. This is how good the excavator driver is. Didn't even touch the plants. Remember when he was like grading the area? Yeah, plants are fine. What a professional. This is Matrix's first time seeing the area being demolished. You saw it was all up and everything like that. Oh, a lot of good space. It's going to get a new building, or excuse me, not a new building. Shipping containers. I'm going to put shipping containers here, so I don't have to worry about a new building. It's going to be so much cheaper. It's movable. He's sniffing every single rock. It's like, wait, what's this do? What's that do? Where was this? Where was that? It's all gone, Baba. We're going to put something in its place. Even better. Yes, much better. No more buildings, all gone. No more worrying about the raccoons, possums, mice, birds, that kind of thing. So I'm going to be getting a couple of shipping containers. They're low maintenance, they're able to be moved around, and they're a lot more space. If you guys like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up. New to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Shout out to my 400 subscribers. Thank you very, very much. Greatly appreciated. Let's make it 500, guys. 500, we can do it. I know you guys can. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.